you need to be logged in into your WordPress backend. So you log into your WordPress backend. So the next thing you need to do, you have up here where you have your name, your website name. You right click and then you open link in new tab. So I'm going to click on open link in new tab. So when it opens, I'm just going to go. I'll just go there. To look for is this. I'll come down to customize here. I'll click on customize. So it's going to load up like this. Then you scroll all the way down. You look for menu. So I'm going to click on menu. When I click on menu, it will open up like this. So I'm going to click on this. Is I already have a menu called top menu. So I want to create a new menu. So you actually see how menus are created. So what I will do is I will do what? Delete this menu. Okay. So I've deleted the menu. I don't have any menu on my website. Okay. Now let's take it together. So first and foremost, when I come into the menu, number one thing I must do is to create new menu. So I'm going to click on this that says create new menu. I need to name the menu. So I would like to give it top menu. Menu as a name, top menu. Now, where do I want the menu? What do I want the menu to be? I want it to be a primary menu. So I'm going to click on primary menu. Then I click on next. So when I come in here, I already have the name of the menu, top menu. I already have it to be my primary menu. It says current top menu. The name of the current top menu is what? Primary menu. So I want to start adding items under the menu, the top menu that I've created. So I'll click on add item. So what and what do I want to add? First, I know that my menu must contain home, right? I'll click on home. Home has been added. The next thing I need to add is after home, I need contact us, right? I have contact us. I'm going to click on contact us. The next thing I need about us, I'm going to click on about us. The next thing I need location. I'm going to click on location. What else do I need? I need a page called properties because now let's assume you want to build a property website. You need a property page. Maybe you're selling an item. You need a gallery page. So I'm going to do property now. So what I will do, I'll come in here. I'll search for properties. Then I'll check to know. So it said no result found. That means there is no page called property that has been created. So we have to manually create it. Okay. So I'll close it up. Then I'll come here. It said add type what? Properties. Then I'll do what? Add. Okay. So automatically property page has been what? Added. So I have home, which is your custom link that which is the main page of the website. Contact us, we have about us page, we have location page, and we have property page. Now, it's not after home. What do I need after home? I need properties. I would like properties to be the next. After properties, I need I will always about us is always at the end, right? So I have home, properties, contact us. No. After properties, let's have location. So I have home, I have properties, I have location, I have contact us, and I have what? About us. So these pages have been created. If you notice, we have them here already: home, properties, location, contact us, and what? About us. Now the next thing I need to do is that after creating this, you need to publish it. You need to publish it. Okay. So I'm going to click on what? Publish. I'll publish it. Publishing it means that when anybody checks it from any device, that's how the person is going to see it. You understand? If not, you're the only one that's going to be seeing it directly from this place. Great. And you need to create a menu for phone, but you don't need to start creating from the beginning. Again, you understand? All you need to do is to come down here. You after this you go back a bit. Now you have menu. It says currently set to what? Primary menu. So you come down menu location, the locations of your menu. We have three locations. Number one, primary menu, which is this top. We have the second one, which is mobile menu, which is your mobile device, and we have the third one, which is what? Your footer. Now, what I want here is I want primary and I want what? I want primary. So primary is selected as top menu already, right? But mobile, there's no menu on mobile. So if you view this website on your mobile device, you will not see menu. Do you get? So we want to create for it. So all I need to do is, since I've created a menu called top menu, all I need to do is to do what? Click on what? Top menu here. I'll do what? Click on what? Publish. Right. So it is published. Now, this website, if you view it anywhere, you will see what? These menus. All right. So that's the easiest way of creating what? Menus for your what? For your WordPress website.